Namaste, I am Priya. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I am going to make rice flour steamed manda pitha. It is very famous in Odisha. It is mainly prepared in festivals. I will be showing two different types of stuffed manda pitha. One is coconut paneer with sugar and another one is coconut paneer with jaggery. So let's start the recipe. For this recipe we need here we have 2 cup of rice flour, 1 cup of coconut and paneer stuffing, half a cup of fresh grated coconut, 2 and half a cup of water, salt to taste, some resin and some cashew nut, 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder, 1/4 cup of sugar, 1/4 cup of crushed paneer, 1 teaspoon of desi ghee. To prepare the dough, heat a pan on medium heat, put the water, let the water boil, then I will add the rice flour. As you can see, the water has started boiling. Now put the salt, 1 teaspoon sugar and desi ghee. Now mix it. Now add the rice flour slowly and keep stirring so that no lumps will be there. Stir it continuously. If you need extra water, then add the hot water. The dough mix is ready. Now switch off the heat, cover it and let it sit for 5 minutes. Now I am going to prepare the coconut and paneer stuffing with sugar. Put the sugar in the coconut, cardamom powder, cashew nut or kaju and resin and crushed paneer. Now mix together. Now coconut and paneer with sugar stuffing is ready. It's been 5 minutes. Now open it. Now take it into a big bowl. Now I am going to prepare the dough. Mash the rice flour mix a little. Make sure that you start working when it is little warm. Use a little bit of desi ghee. Mix it and prepare the dough. Now the dough is ready. Use a little desi ghee in your palm like this. Now take a little dough out of it. Make a ball like this. Press it in the middle like this and make it like a salad bowl. Like this. Now put a little stuffing. Close it from all the edges. Like this. To close it properly, use a little water. Now keep it on the plate. Make all the pithas in same process. Put a little stuffing. This time I am taking jaggery stuffing. Close from all the ends. Now keep it on the plate. I have prepared all the manda pithas. Now I am going to steam it. For this I am using a steamer. Put all the manda pithas one by one in the steamer. Now cover it and let it steam for about 15 minutes. It's been about 20 minutes. I have already switched off the heat and let it cool down a little. Now open the cover. As you can see, there is no steam in it. Now take the manda pitha into a plate. The rice flour steamed manda pitha is ready. It looks yummy. Try it at your home and serve your family and friends. Share your comments at priyasasri.com. Thank you for watching my video. See you soon. Bye bye.